Hey everyone, today I want to show you this battery pack that I've been using for the last couple of months. I've been really impressed with it. It's the Anker Power 3 10,000 milliamp hour wireless battery pack. We'll take a closer look at it, but it's got a couple of nifty little features in there that I want to show you as well. Now, of course, if you are interested, it is linked below in the description. You can find more information there, but let's go ahead and dive right into it. So again, this is the Anker Power 3 Sense 10K wireless charger. Now it does have a 10 watt max wireless charging pad on it, as well as the USB-C port is an 18 watt PD. So extremely powerful for charging over USB-C. It's also got a USB-A port on it as well. Now, one thing I did want to point out here on the back, it does say it has an 18-month hassle-free warranty. So in the box there, of course, it came with the user manual of how to use the device. It came with a USB-C to USB-C cable, which you use to charge the power bank, as well as you can use it for charging your devices. That seems to be about 1.5 feet long or so, would be my guess. It also came with a little pouch here, kind of a honeycomb kind of pattern on there. It says Anker on there. This is great for holding your battery pack, as well as you can put your cable in there, and it's got a little drawstring on it as well. Now again, this is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack with the wireless charging pad. Sizing on this, it's 5.98 inches long and it's 2.69 inches wide, and it's about 0.74 inches in height. So it's nice and compact. It's got a really nice kind of fabric finish on here, very modern looking, but it is quite hard. Again, that 10 watt wireless charging pad right there. So on the side here, we've got our USB-A port as well as our 18 watt USB-C PD port here. And we plug our USB-C cable in there to charge the battery pack. It takes about 4.5 hours to fully charge. So you can use that for charging the battery pack as well as charging your devices. We've also got a button here, and when we push that, it'll turn it on. So you can see the lights here on the side will light up and you know it's on. Now, once it's on, you can actually use the wireless charger here. So I'll just put my phone on there and it'll start charging wirelessly right away. You can put it in this direction or that direction. And just for your reference, I can roughly charge my cell phone 2 times off a battery charge. Also, when you push the button here and those lights light up, that'll give you an indicator of how full your battery pack is. So I've got 4 lights, so it's fully charged right now. Now, one of the niftiest little features in this battery pack is right here. There's this little slider that comes out like that. It's a little hook. It's not for hanging it, but if you're on an airplane, you can put that down on the tray table, take your phone and put it right in there like that, and you can watch all your shows. It holds your phone while you're charging it. Awesome little addition to this battery pack. The other cool thing is, of course, if you've got earbuds that can charge wirelessly, you can charge those on there as well, which is really handy. But this battery pack has a low power mode. So if I double tap the button here, the light will turn green. It's kind of hard to see there, but that will give you low power charging with a cable for things like earbuds or smartwatches. So again, that's the Anker Power 3 Sense 10K wireless battery pack or power bank. Been really happy with it. I've used it for the last couple of months and it's been great for our travels.